Welcome back, guys. Second episode, second day of working. I already prepare some hot water with soap. The first step, I want to clean all the floor because it's really dirty. There's a lot of stuff here. And then I want to clean the dust here, the walls. So yeah, after everything will be clean, I will remove the partition. For those who don't know, to remove the partition, there is M10 bolts and two of these rivets. So I will need to drill a hole to get the rivet off. So let's get started.
One eternity later.
Only a third of the floor is clean, kind of, and I'm already tired. So I think I need to step up the game. And we are back. The power wash did a good job, but it's not enough. Most of the dirt is gone, but as you can see, there is something left. Let me take some hot water and soap and let's start to scrub again. Okay, for today I'm done with cleaning. I didn't expect to be so difficult because there was some grease or oil, old mixed with dust and stuff on the floor. So it's been really difficult to remove it, but so far it looks good. I've cleaned also the ceiling, the walls. So now I want to try to remove the bulkhead. So I need to remove those two rivets here and then all the M10 bolts all around. Probably it will be the last job for today. Here we go. Now I see progress, so I'm excited. Because I still have some time to work on it, I go ahead and I have to remove this one and this one because of the bed. So the bed will be right here on the back, and if I take those reinforcements off, I can gain a couple of inches, so I can fit a normal size mattress, because I'm gonna sleep sideways. You can take those off if you need. They are attached with 2 points here and 2 on the top. Here we go. 1 and 2. Looks good. So I have to clean a little bit with sandpaper and then treat it with anti-rust paint. Those also all the spots around. There is plenty of spots where the metal is exposed. So for today I'm done. Tomorrow I will continue, probably with the paint and maybe also the sound deadening material. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe if you want to stay updated, and see you in the next video. Bye!